Assalamu alaikum, this is Best Watch Point. So today's video we unbox this very beautiful watch. You see the design, color we have blue and golden. The watch is very interesting. The box you see, it's a simple and plastic box. Okay. The band of this watch is not a plastic, not metal, steel. It's a mixture of rubber and plastic. Very interesting band. Quality of this band. This type is open. The time situation is like this. Only one button is working. Two is only artificial buttons. The brand is Emporio Armani. Okay, so the watch brand is Armani. You see the Armani watch brand. Okay, so thanks for watching. You like this watch, so like this video, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.